Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. NextGen.net provides versatile connectivity solutions tailored to individual business needs. They offer a diverse portfolio encompassing dedicated Internet access, DIA, ensuring a reliable and private connection, alongside Ethernet transport services for seamless network integration. Their fiber internet service boasts high-speed performance, perfect for bandwidth-intensive applications. NextGen.net also recognizes the criticality of robust cybersecurity in today's landscape and offers advanced security measures to safeguard business data. Understanding the diverse requirements of different industries, their solutions can be customized to meet specific demands. They are dedicated to delivering consistent, high-quality service, underpinned by a resilient network infrastructure. NextGen.net prioritizes providing exceptional customer support, ensuring businesses receive prompt assistance whenever necessary. With a focus on innovation, they continually evolve their offerings to stay ahead of the technological curve and provide cutting-edge solutions. Whether it's enhancing communication, streamlining operations, or bolstering security, NextGen.net aims to empower businesses through reliable and adaptable connectivity solutions. Furthermore, their scalable services are designed to accommodate growth and evolving business requirements. NextGen.net offers a variety of service levels and bandwidth options to cater to a wide spectrum of organizational sizes and connectivity needs. They understand that reliable connectivity is crucial for business success and strive to deliver uninterrupted service to ensure optimal performance. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, they work closely with clients to understand their individual challenges and craft tailored solutions to meet their specific goals. By partnering with NextGen.net, businesses can gain a competitive edge by leveraging a high-performance network and comprehensive suite of connectivity services designed for today's dynamic business environment.